So how do you take advantage of all the wonderful features that this pamphlet has? Okay, first I would recommend that you install Adobe Acrobat Reader. Um, it will give you full access to all the features that this pamphlet has. Okay, so if you go to the table of content here, on the table of content, there are topics that are in this pamphlet. Okay, so if you go to that specific topic, the normal way to do it is by scrolling, which can be tiresome at times. So if you want to go just to that topic, let's say want to go and see coordinate geometry, you just have to touch where it's written coordinate geometry, or to press there, or to click there. So if I do that, this is what happens. Okay, it takes me to coordinate geometry paper 1, which of course has 40 minutes, or has to be done in 40 minutes. On the bottom, there are marks. So these questions in total is 26 marks. Okay, these are exam standard marks. Okay, they are the actual marks from the past papers. Okay, so the time is here to help you become very good at time, to help you do things within the exam time. Okay, so you have to solve these questions not when learning, but when you go through the notes, you go through the exercise. That's when you can come here now to try yourself. Okay, so when you solve the questions and want to check if your answers are correct, or if you want to mark yourself, you can click or touch here where it's written check solutions. Here, when you do that, it takes you to solutions, or most of the solutions are handwritten, so that you can see various tricks that can be used when you're using a pen instead of typing. Okay, so these are all the solutions that are on coordinate geometry. Okay, so now if, for example, you want to go and check the question again, instead of just doing this to waste time, you can just click here, okay, where it says go back to the exercise. When you do that, it takes you back to coordinate geometry. Okay, so let's go back to where we check solutions. Okay, so you can, when you're done going through the solutions, and maybe you're not satisfied on how something was done, you can click on this learner here who has a phone. Of course, when you click there, it will take you to the video solutions where the questions are solved and where a voice is added to what was written. Okay, so that's how to make use of this paper. Okay, or should I say this soft copy, because it's not a hard copy for it to be called a paper. Okay, so the video starts playing and all, you get the picture. So that's how to make use of.
So question 1 says, we have been given point A, which is 4.
You get the point. So that's how it works. After that, you can go back to your pamphlet. Okay. Okay, what about the other one? The one with notes and exercises. So this one contains the notes. So again, these are the topics. When you click on a topic, it will, when you click or touch on a topic, it will take you direct to that topic. Okay, so for example, if I click on factorization, it takes me to factorization. Was it factorization or expansion that I clicked? I'm not sure. Okay, so this expansion, first, before you can go through the notes, you can watch the lesson by clicking here where there's this picture of a learner with a phone. So when you click there, it will take you to the video lesson. After that, you can start going through the notes. Okay, and of course, at the end of the notes, or inside the notes, maybe there's a trick that you need to learn. If you're interested, you can see something like what we are seeing here on the right, where we have our learn again, where it says press here for video. Okay, so of course, there was a trick here that was supposed to be shown. which if you don't know it, it's okay. Still, you're going to know the normal way of doing things. Okay. Then there's also an exercise here. If you want to check for answers, you click here where it says click here for answers. When you do that, it takes you there. And of course, these are the answers. And if you want to watch how they were solved, you can click where there's this learner here with the phone. And that's how it works. When you are done, you can click or touch here where it's written go back to the exercise. It takes you back to the exercise. Easy to navigate. So that's how these pamphlets work.